it is my birthday weekend and I'm just now getting myself ready to go and pick up my birthday cake from one of my favorite bakeries in Los Angeles. It's called Copenhagen Pastry. As some of you know, I was born and raised in Sweden. So the fact that we have a Scandinavian pastry shop or bakery close to us is such a blessing. We have gone to Copenhagen Pastry almost every year to get their princess cake, which has gotten really popular in Los Angeles the last few months. But basically it's like a green marzipan cake. There's actually a video about it on my channel, so I'll link it down below if you want to check that out and haven't seen it yet. But this year I'm switching it up. A couple months ago, Bobby and I, or actually Bobby, he bought a sliver, a piece of their raspberry lemon mousse cake, I think it's called. And it was just so delicious that I just felt like, but I'm gonna have to treat myself to their cake on my birthday. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go pick up the cake and have some friends over and yeah, treat ourselves to some delicious Danish cake. Speaking of treats, one of my favorite jewelry brands called Ana Luisa has kindly gifted me these pieces, and this part of the video is actually in partnership with Ana Luisa, and I am over the moon because I have been a customer of theirs since 2019. I've bought pieces for myself, for my mother, whether it's been her birthday or the holidays. She and I are actually both huge fans of Ana Luisa. And the reason for that is because even though it's super affordable, their jewelry is crafted with such care and quality that they have not tarnished throughout the years. And on top of that, they're totally carbon neutral. So we've got one herringbone necklace, and they've got them in different sizes, but I felt like this is the perfect size because I can stack them. This is the second piece that I received from them. It's a 14 karat gold chain link necklace with these little sparkles. They're cubic zirconica. I think that's what they're called. So yeah, it's giving a little bit of sparkles, which I love for my birthday. And also I think it's gonna be really nice for the holidays. I'm gonna show you the very first pieces I ever got from Ana Luisa. These are gorgeous. I don't know if they still have them, but again, it's like you have that gold piece on the top and then you have this, it looks like porcelain or china. They're just so gorgeous. And I got this necklace from them too, and I think this, like, I think it's like a pendant necklace. I think it's gonna go really well with this herringbone. Whether it's their jewelry or their cute little packaging, they care about their impact on the planet. A big plus in my book. So the jewelry come in these little pouches or packets, and obviously they're made out of fabric. So these are really great to save for when you're gonna sleep over somewhere, or if you're traveling and put your jewelry back into the original packaging. And right now, actually, they have their biggest sale of the year. If you're looking to treat yourself for the holidays, add a little sparkle, or if you want to gift someone Christmas gifts or any holiday gifts, definitely check out Ana Luisa. I have their link in the description box below, so make sure to hit that and look through their shop because they have some really beautiful pieces. So we're gonna go pick up the cake. I put these sunglasses on. I feel like that really goes well with the herringbone necklace too. I like it. I really like it. I like it too. So I removed the herringbone necklace. I'm going with just this one for tonight because I feel like it goes better with the cut of this dress. But I like it. It's dainty, it's classy, and I'm pairing it with this another old Ana Luisa piece actually. I felt like the sparkles on this ring really goes with the necklace. And then I'm also pairing these with my Ana Luisa pearl earrings covered in gold. I got like 4 or 5 years ago, and they're still in great shape, and I'm sure they'll last a much longer time. So yeah, really happy with tonight's birthday look. I also have this old Michael Kors bangle that actually I got on a birthday years ago by one of my closest friends.
Sharing love before the night was through.
Dear John's is a historic restaurant located in Culver City, Los Angeles. Established in 1962 by actor Johnny Harlow, it quickly became a favored spot for Hollywood elites, including Frank Sinatra, who was known to play the piano there. In 2019, chefs Josiah Citron and Hans Ruckenwagner revitalized Dear John's, preserving its classic ambiance while introducing an updated American menu and traditional cocktails. The interior maintains a retro charm with leather booths, red tablecloths, and dim lighting, reminiscent of its mid-20th century origins. This place has been on my list for years, and here's what we ordered. A ribeye steak cooked to perfection, medium rare with a beautiful smoky char on the outside. Each bite was tender and juicy. Next, we savored the short rib braised in red wine. This dish was truly a showstopper. The meat fell apart at the touch of a fork, each bite melting on the palate with a deep, robust flavor that spoke to hours of slow cooking. The red wine brought a symphony of notes, a subtle sweetness, earthy undertones, and a velvety, tangy finish that complemented the richness of the meat perfectly. To accompany these mouth-watering mains, we chose classic steak frites, the perfect dip, in my opinion, the house-made béarnaise sauce, which brought a rich, tangy balance to the dish. And of course, no steak experience is complete without sides like creamed spinach and creamed corn. And for the grand finale dessert, I got a decadent chocolate peanut caramel type of cake, and this was served a la mode with a generous scoop of smooth, creamy ice cream. Each bite was rich and luxurious, with the dark chocolate layers balanced perfectly by the buttery caramel nutty notes. An indulgent symphony of flavors that felt like a reward at the end of an already spectacular meal. The atmosphere of Dear John's is part of what makes it so unique. It is super dark, almost like stepping into a scene from an old Hollywood film. We were told not to use flash, and honestly, I totally respect that decision. The dim lighting adds so much character and depth to the dining experience, making every moment feel intimate and special. Going on a morning walk with espresso, and it's super windy. Oh wow. It is warm outside, but it is windy, like really crazy windy. So we turned back home, and Bobby's gonna make us some delicious pancake breakfast. A little birthday brunch. We got the Swedish pancakes, and if you've seen,
who made it?
Bobby made it. And if you've seen my pancake video, you know that we eat this with whipped cream, Swedish style. Whipped cream and strawberry jam. We also got some maple syrup, honey. Bobby loves these two on pancakes. And then we got a pistachio cream. We got some bacon to represent our American side. Some bananas, because Bobby loves bananas. Okay, let's eat.
Ladies first. Give me the hand. Banana. Honey babe, or maple syrup, Was it good? Oh yeah.
Yeah, one thing I have not opened on my birthday yet is this box of chocolate that Bobby gave me. I'm a huge fan of C's candies. Bobby knows that, so he got me a box of chocolate, and I figured I'll open them with you. Ooh, I love this mix. It is a mix of dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and then like toffee ones. I can see the one here, one there. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the white chocolate first, because I'm a huge fan of white chocolate. I know a lot of people aren't, and I'm probably in the minority here, but I just feel like if you like sweets, what's there not to like about white chocolate? I just don't get it. I think people compare it too much with milk or dark chocolate and feel like this is not really the real deal, which I totally get, because I don't think there's even cacao beans in white chocolate. I think it's just like cacao fat. But anyway, one of my favorites. I'm gonna have it I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh my god. It's a brittle, which love brittles. I think it's an almond brittle covered in white chocolate. Delicious. If you too are a minority like me and love white chocolate, let me know in the comments by dropping the candy emoji, because there's no white chocolate emoji. So drop me the candy emoji if you too like white chocolate. I think I'm gonna save the rest of the box for later, because we still have cake in the fridge that we have to finish today, because it's gonna go bad otherwise. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be sugared out after the cake. Bobby and I are gonna share the last piece. Angry, aggressive. You guys, Copenhagen pastry. If you want to try a different type of cake, a Scandinavian type of cake, Copenhagen pastry in Culver City. So good.
Who took you there first time? That's right.
You didn't check me there.
I did. Who did? Exactly.
No.
And who introduced you to this cake first time?
You did.
That's right, kid.
That I know you did. I just wanted to show you. I'm wearing obviously that herringbone necklace again. This time just by itself. I feel like it's gorgeous on its own as well. And then I've paired it with my old Ana Luisa earrings that I bought along with this ring actually. I bought these on a sale, I think like two or 3 years ago. So they've definitely stood the test of time. I'm telling you guys, if you are looking to get your hands on some luxury pieces at an unbeatable price, either for yourself or you're thinking about getting your holiday gift shopping done early, I highly recommend checking out Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale. You can go to their website via the link in my description box. Hurry, because now is the best time to shop with these limited prices. So definitely check it out. If you're not a fan of gold, they have silver too. I just happen to be showing you lots of gold items because I'm a goldy girly. Although I have been thinking about adding some more silver to my collection. So I'm probably gonna be doing a little bit of shopping myself on this Black Friday sale. I think I'm gonna wrap the video here. Thank you for joining me on my birthday week. I've had a lovely, lovely time, been eating lots of good and yummy stuff. I hope you enjoyed spending this week with me, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber already, make sure to hit that subscription button and the bell button next to it to get notified for upcoming videos. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
One for you. A big one for me. Naturally. Oh yeah. Look at the layers.